The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 10 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the TCL 10 5G is not here on Verizon Prepaid. It's available now. It recently got released to Verizon Prepaid. The TCL 10 5G came out last year. It was released on Verizon's postpaid service last year, and now it's on Verizon's prepaid service for you guys to check out if you guys are interested. So in other words, it's available now in diamond gray color, 128 gigabytes of storage, and it's $399.99. There's a front of that in front of you. You have really nice looking phone there. I do like the wallpaper. You have very, you know, colorful and all that. So you do have a front facing camera right here. Hole punch stuff for your front facing camera. Earpiece up here. Power and band keys will be on the right side of the phone. Um, right side of the phone, I said power and band keys. Uh, this is the left side, and I don't know if it has anything on the left side because it's kind of hard to see there. There's the back of the TCL 10 5G. You guys have three cameras in the back and dual LED flash. Your fingerprint sensor, TCL logo, and your Verizon 5G logo. And it has like this design on the back of the phone there, which is pretty cool in my opinion. It's like guess it's like diamonds or something like that on the back of the phone, so pretty nice. This back of the phone right there in entirety there, so pretty nice. And it looks like the back is like lost a little bit, you know. So this back here again. Right side of the phone, like I said, power and bang keys. I don't know where your SIM card goes. I don't know. Maybe on the left side or right side. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell because of the color. That's the front. Bottom of the TCL 10 5G, you guys have Type-C charging and a speaker. I don't know if it's a dual speakers or not. I'm not really sure about that. On top of the TCL 10 5G, you guys have a headphone jack and a secondary microphone, so that's pretty nice. And there's a phone front and back, so pretty nice there. So the TCL 10 5G has three cameras in the back, like I said, a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel super wide angle, and a 5 megapixel macro lens with dual LED flash in the rear. So that's really cool. Your dimensions are 3.1 inches in width and 6.44 inches in height. 29 hours of usage time, up to 21 days of standby time now. So it says they're introducing the TCL 10 5G, a powerful smartphone with lightning fast 5G speeds, send messages, stream videos, and use apps with ultra low lag on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. With dedicated display engine built in to improve the visual experience on the device. Viewing photos, videos, games, and media is always a high quality experience. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor delivers a seamless user experience, and the quick charge battery keeps you connected all day. Snap pics, record video on the triple camera system, and use Super Night Mode to get clear shots no matter the time of day. Experience everything that TCL 10 5G has to offer on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. So, yeah, not bad there, pretty nice. For 400 bucks, you're getting 5G for 400 bucks. So, pretty awesome right there. Specs on this one are really good as well. So this is not a bad phone. It's not like I don't know how it is. I don't know how this one performs or not because I never tried out this one. But in terms of spec, this one does like very nice and has pretty good specs for the price. So it does have 5G speeds. That's how like the main selling point for this one is 5G speeds here. So it says here, keep up with the speed of light with Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. Experience super fast downloads, showing 4K video and video chat in high definition with ultra low lag. The powerful Snapdragon 765 5G with millimeter wave support delivers a smooth user experience every time. Easy viewing, elevate your viewing experience with this 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with a dedicated display engine to enhance color, clarity, and contrast. Enjoy true-to-life visuals, HDR video playback, and reduce visual fatigue thanks to TCL's Next Vision technology. So, TCL has a special display engine inside this phone. That's pretty interesting there. Fluid performance. Fast connectivity meets fast performance with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and add an additional 256 GB with a removable microSD card. The 4500 mAh battery keeps you filled all day. The 4500 mAh battery keeps you filled for all day use. Power up fast to 50% in 37 minutes with quick charge, and share power with your friends or other devices with on-the-go reverse charging capability. So it's really nice. Advanced triple camera, capture steady videos in 4K and take high resolution pics with the AI powered 48 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel super wide angle, and 5 megapixel macro camera for mesmerizing details. Take brilliant photos day or night with dual LED flash and super night mode, or share your best selfies with portrait mode, all with the advanced imaging processing of Next Vision technology. Stay connected in style. The TCL 10 5G will add a little bit of edge to your style. Its symmetrical camera with dual LED flash layout and rendered 3D glossy glass backing provides a premium visual look and creates a tactile experience for an amazing value. So pretty nice asset for 400 bucks. You're not you were getting that pretty good deal here for 400 bucks, you know. So specs on this phone are really good. So yeah, you have a 16 megapixel front facing camera, so pretty decent right there. 3 cameras in the back, like I said, a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel super wide angle, and a 5 megapixel macro lens with dual LED flash. Android 10 on board Google system. You have HD voice, which lets you experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. Your Wi-Fi connections for the TCL 10 5G are 802.11, ABG and AC, Wi-Fi direct, and dual band Wi-Fi. Processor Snapdragon 765G. That is an octa-core chipset, so pretty good right there. Not bad chipset there. So it's kind of like a mid-range chipset, so not too bad. 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, which is pretty nice. Expandable memory up to 256 gigabytes, 4500 mAh battery. The battery is not removable, so do keep it in mind. Your dimensions are 3.1 inches in width, 6.44 inches in height, and 0.37 inches in depth. The TCL 10 5G weighs 7.4 ounces. So this phone is a bit hefty, so do keep that in mind. It's available in diamond gray there. It does have a text. It does have like a design on the back of the phone, so it looks very nice on the back. This is SAR rating, serenade, usage time up to 29 hours, standby time 21 days. You have sub 6 and millimeter wave options there, so pretty nice. You also have 4G as well. global network will device which works over in 200 countries, and depending on what plan you guys have, we got actually you get this anyway, just about. Also, the XLTE ready, doubling our 4G LTE bandwidth in cities coast to coast. It also has LTE advanced as well, with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 400 in more than 450 cities coast to coast. So, yeah. So if you guys didn't have with your TCL 10 5G, Verizon has you covered with that. But if device support, which is a great tool, so it says Verizon Mobile support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check it out if you guys need help with the phone there. So what comes in the box is your TCL 10 5G prepaid smartphone, 4500 mAh battery which is embedded in the phone, wall charger, Type-C cable, 5G SIM card which is pre-installed, SIM ejection tool, and Verizon very shows like terms and conditions and stuff like that. So nothing really special in the box. So do keep it in mind. I don't know if you get a case in the box from that Polygon. You guys will probably just get the standard stuff in the box. So do take that word as worth that is. So you're getting this one for 400 bucks. So you get what you pay for here. But for 400 bucks, it's still a pretty good deal in terms of specs and all that. This one does look very nice. I think for 400 bucks, I think it's worth it in my personal opinion. Some of you guys might agree with me, some of you guys might not agree with me, and that's fine. But for 400 bucks, you're getting a lot. For 400 bucks, you're getting 5G, which is the main selling point. You're getting 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. You're getting micro SD card support, Type-C charging, fast charge. You guys are getting a lot for 400 bucks. You guys also get a fingerprint sensor as well. So for 400 bucks, you're getting a lot for 400 bucks. And then this is especially like a mid-range smartphone here, which is this, and the specs on here are really good. The main selling point is its 5G connectivity, so not bad for 400 bucks. So if you guys want 5G on the cheap, the TCL 10 5G could be the phone for you to check out. The phone does look very nice in my opinion. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The TCL 10 5G is now here on Verizon Prepaid for $399.99. This phone is now on Verizon's prepaid service. It's been available on Verizon's postpaid service for a while now, and now it's available on Verizon's prepaid service. So 400 bucks, no contracts, 5G for 400 bucks. That's a win. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.